So hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video please watch video till end because I want to share how we'll earn money from this application. If you want to earn money from this application, then it is very easy. And how we'll earn money from this application, let's show me friend. If you open your own account, then you will get 100 rupees as you soon open your account. But after opening your account, when you complete your account opening fully, then then you have to option refer and earn option. Refer and earn option, when you refer someone, then you will get 150 per refer guys, and your friend will get 100 rupees. So both win-win situation and both are getting benefited from this. So it is very interesting application. Please make patience and last video uh, patiently. So start this will take time, and install open. After opening, this will look like this type of interface will be look. So you have to enter here your mobile number on which and then click on the next button. After clicking on the next button, you will see that one time OTP will come on your mobile number. So friends, you have to just type your OTP. So type your OTP. After OTP, you will see this type of interface. Here is date of birth, then PAN card, Aadhaar card, email, first name, last name, and then OTP will become on your email ID. Verify it. PAN card, father name, mother name. Then this type of your personal information should be filled by you. After this, you have to also give your bank account, because money will come in your bank account. So here enter your bank account number, enter your IFC number, right? After this will complete, and you have to also upload this type of selfie, then PAN card photo, then address proof, then video. You have to just make a small video with your document and upload it. So upload now, and then click on the next button. After this will, and this type of interface, OTP will become verify OTP, and finally here you have to click on I agree. Okay, it will be completed, and here you will see that your application is under process, and it will be activated within 2 business day, right? So it will take time for 2 days to your active. As your account get activated, you will see your text message that your account will be get activated, and what you have to done for money earning. Now let's share, friends. Please wait, friends. As you see, after account opening, when you open your Market Wolf application and log in it, then congratulations, you have earned 100 rupees. As you see here, this 100 rupees will become because you have open account. And for refer and earn, you have to click this new button, sorry, this new button. Here is new button which you see. Here is new button. So after clicking a new button on this, this will see this type of interface. Here you will see refer and earn. So you have to click on your refer and earn, and after refer and earn, this will be see this type of interface. Here you have to refer and earn unlimited money each month. Your friend trades, you will get 50 and your friends get 52. जैसे ही आप करेंगे तो आपको फ्रेंड और दोनों को मिल जाएगा. यहाँ से आप you can also share link, friend. Share now, click on the share now button and share your link. This is for today. See you tomorrow. Thank you for watching video. please subscribe us.